Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burger like McDonald's. We'll start by selecting the right ground beef, aiming for an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio for that classic juicy flavor. Next, we'll form our patties, making them quite thin, around 1/4 inch thick and 4 inches in diameter, which helps them cook quickly and evenly. Don't forget to season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the taste. Now let's cook those patties to perfection. Heat your griddle or cast iron skillet to a medium-high temperature. Place the patties down and cook for about 60 seconds on the first side. Then, flip them over and immediately add a slice of American cheese. Use a burger press or spatula to gently flatten the patties as they cook, creating those signature crispy edges and ensuring even cooking. This quick cooking time keeps the patties juicy. With our patties cooked, it's time to assemble our delicious burger. First, lightly toast your burger buns on the same griddle until they are a beautiful golden brown. This adds texture and prevents sogginess. Next, spread a generous but not overwhelming amount of our special sauce on both the top and bottom bun halves. Then, layer on finely diced white onion, 2 or 3 dill pickle slices, and finally your perfectly cooked cheesy patty. No McDonald's-style burger is complete without its signature special sauce. To make it, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Add a teaspoon of white vinegar, along with a pinch of onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika for that authentic taste. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly, and let the sauce chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your homemade classic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.